In this video, I will show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. First, you have to open any browser like Google Chrome and search admin.shopify.com in the search bar. Open the Shopify website, log into your account, or sign up to create your account using your credentials. After opening the Shopify website, click on the search bar of the website. Click all recommended apps from the drop-down menu list. You have to pick the app from the list, or to find more apps, click on Shopify App Store at the bottom. Open the Shopify App Store and search Ali Reviews on the search bar. Click on the app Ali Reviews app. Click on Install to install the Ali Reviews app. Again, click on Install and the app will be installed. You will see basic or premium plans provided to you. You can sign up for free in the basic plan option. Ali Review app's dashboard will open and you can manage the review. Navigate to the import section of the app and enter the Aliexpress product URLs for which you want to review important reviews. The app will then fetch the review from Aliexpress. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.